Tuesday morning, and the way I feel is rock and roll, living a dream, super, super, super excited. The reason being, me, myself, and I, and what I think about is how I can be of service to others. My own food, growing inside, my own food, inside, God's garden, God's body, God's food inside me. Bananas, apples, pears, walnuts, watermelon. 2, I'm singing this dance before I have to go to work. Another 19 seconds. This is what I do. I want to share the joy of being free, of living a dream, rock and roll, super excited. See how many time I've left on this machine. Boom, 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 boom. Take care now. Enjoy your day. Me.